What's up, you guys? It is Tuesday of Freak Week and I am like feeling so pumped and excited about today. Jordan and I are finally doing our Halloween collaboration look. It's going to be the final look of Kylloween and I'm so excited to finally do the shoot today. We've been planning it for several weeks, and as you could probably tell by the thumbnail, we did a zombie version of Alice and the Mad Hatter. So I'm super pumped. I cannot contain my excitement. And so today we're going out to his property to shoot the photos and also do some video, but I also kind of wanted to vlog the process of like getting everything ready, and I'm working on a prosthetic today for him. We're going to do a mouth wound with some exposed teeth, so I am going to be showing you guys a little bit of the behind the scenes of that. I'm also very tired today. I'm excited, but yesterday, so Jordan and I, we just recently switched gyms, and we had to do a session with a trainer, so we did that yesterday. And that trainer, oh my gosh, like killed us. So I'm very sore, feeling very weary and weak, but I'm just trusting on the Lord for his strength. Got my second cup of coffee already today, so we're gonna get through it and we're going to enjoy the adventure. I already showered today, washed my hair, did all my skincare and stuff like that so it could fully absorb, because we are doing a lot of SFX today. It's going to be very gory. And I'm about to get all dirtied up again. I will be including all of the product details on my Instagram post, but I also will put it in the description box down below, all the products that I use, both on myself and also Jordan, mostly going to be Mayron, like SFX products. But I'll link everything down below, and also the details on our costumes. We actually thrifted a lot for his costume, which was so great. We were able to find some really cool pieces and just like customize it and stuff. But most of my costume I did find on Shein, so I will also include those links as well. All right, so this is what I have so far. I wanted to do an applique prosthetic instead of like going directly onto his face because we are crunched for time. So this is what I've got so far. I've been using the Mayron 3D gel as well as some liquid latex and some cotton. And then I had some fake teeth. They're actually fangs, but I just put them in like upside down so they look like real human teeth. But I'm also going to paint this just to save some time. Okay, you guys, this is how I'm looking so far prior to makeup application and painting. So I did a gnarly little neck wound, also some like shoulder scarring, and then I also did a mouth scar. I think you guys can see it, hopefully you can. And then I also did some eye wounds and like some rotting flesh sort of effect, so it's gonna look lit. And now here is the finished, well, not quite finished, just the makeup and the paint is done. I haven't done the blood yet, obviously, but I am about to go leave to do Jordan's makeup. Getting so excited, and hopefully he doesn't get scared of me.